write fashion articles with ease, and start walking down the article runway to success. We all know that fashion is an enormous industry to talk about, and when it comes to writing fashion articles, you want to ensure that you can create vibrant and interesting content for your targeted readers. Good fashion writers create a buzz on the latest fashion apparel and accessories, and they quickly create many trends. When you start to utilize the same skills these professional authors use, you can easily become the authority in your desired field. Whether you're creating a fashion article for a clothing review, runway event, and even a new up-and-coming designer looking to get some exposure, to make sure you develop the best article possible, there are some steps that should be taken to make your content become attractive to your reading audience. Human emotions are what creates trends and drives the fashion industry. I'm sure you have read several of the top fashion magazine articles, and if you pay close attention, you will certainly notice the message they are trying to convey. The obvious message that many of us pick up is that select fashion designers and clothing companies are selling the vision of how good you would look in their apparel, which is a message that would motivate me to buy their product, but that's not the primary message. When you read their articles with detailed attention, they are trying to hit on the individual reader's emotions that we all dream of, and that's being someone else. Many will deny this comment if you brought it up in a conversation, but it's a true fact that at some point in your life you would like to be someone else, whether it be a Brad Pitt, Pamela Anderson, or the lead singer of your favorite band, and smart fashion-conscious writers jump on this emotion very quickly. Human emotions are what drive product sales, whether it's selling clothing or new cars. We know what we need, but sometimes we not always know what we want. You as a fashion writer will be utilizing your writing skills and knowledge to capitalize on these human emotions, and tell them why they should buy an unknown designer's maternity fashion, or why they should purchase brand name handbags from your website that are available in every shopping mall in America. Answer all the readers' questions, and you're one step closer to winning them over. When I search for information on the internet, my goal is to have many questions answered, whether I'm searching for intimate apparel for my wife, or a good pair of jeans for my casual nights out on the town. However, if you tell me the jeans are 100% cotton, they come in many styles and colors, and they're a really good bargain if purchased them here online, chances are I would be saying to myself, tell me something I don't already know, and I already read 3 other articles saying the same thing. I would rather read that these incredible one-of-kind jeans were exclusive to your company or website, if they truly are, no fibbing now, or they're a new designer's fashion creation that is taking the clothing industry by storm, and when you put a pair of these uniquely designed and extremely comfortable jeans on, they will make my waist look several inches smaller, and feel extremely comfortable using only 100% of the world's finest cotton. If you have a pair of those jeans, drop me a line and I will buy a pair of them, or maybe even 2 if you have several colors available. Remember that emotion drives our economy, and even though we know what our necessities are, we want to look and feel better, and we want the items to help us achieve this goal. When you start to figure out all the human emotions that create our impulses to buy certain desired attire and name brand accessories, you will have the writing success that will be unstoppable on the fashion article runway.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.